Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always promised you. Today actually guys, I brought for you this iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is dual SIM card, 1 terabyte, gold color. To be honest with you, this is not for me, this is for my family, okay? Because I want to try really Samsung. I'm waiting for Samsung S23 Ultra or the Note 21, whatever they're gonna create Samsung next, I'm gonna have it. But my family love this iPhone, so I said let's unbox it and show you what's there. Also, we have the original case for the iPhone. We're gonna unbox it together, and but no, this is let it be for another video, another time, to see how is the quality for original cover case for iPhone. So throw this away and let's. But before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now until your finger break the screen. Let's go, baby. Let's go. As you see here, we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is 1 terabyte dual SIM card, and this is gold color. Of course, I unbox it in the post because, guys, I don't know. Maybe there is a stone inside. If you're out from the post, it's over. Lick your back. If there's not iPhone inside, or if there is stone, you pay the money. That's all. Let's. Ooh la la! This is super sexy. Oh whoa whoa! It's beautiful, luxury phone. What to tell you guys? To be honest, I don't want to lie about you. It looks luxury, looks solidary, you know. But the shame thing here, except USB cable, there is nothing. What a shame. A couple of stickers, that's all. They give you the metal to open the phone with. What a shame. No charge, no speaker. But people still running behind this company, like dogs. You know, whatever, even if they will move the cable for you. And what is the reason? To save the earth. So why in the iPad Pro you still keeping the charge then? Why they are selling the charge in them store? If you are care about our world and about bullshit, they just earn, guys. They just earn money from this, and you know that. Just you're running behind this brand. Whatever they will do for you, you will still running behind this brand. Anyway, let me open it and show you the SIM. Wait, let me do the setting first, okay? And get back to you. Let's do the setting, and I'm gonna show you the dual SIM card, and then out of nowhere. As you see, guys, here I put SIM card, and from here the second one was fall down. You got me? It's dual SIM card. Here I have Ukrainian SIM card, and here I have Emiratian SIM card. So here's the house, the dual, and then you install it inside the phone. 1 second, let me put it back. Okay, guys, as you see here, both of them I installed them. They are working well. The Etisalat and KYIV, both of them still working well. As you see, the network is weak because iPhone is weak in network. You have to know that. Oh, guys, see? Oh la la! Oh, this is her beautiful screen. What to tell you? I said it's one of the best screens in the market. I mean, look to how brightness it is. Let me see. See? Oh my God! Like this now. Look. Screen brightness is amazing, honestly. It's the best screen brightness that you're gonna see it in the market. So white. Here and 11 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max is rubbish. Don't you ever buy 12 Pro Max. It's gray screen, this economic screen. If you wanna buy or stay with 11 Pro Max or update to 13 Pro Max, don't buy 12. I advise you. Guys, listen to me very carefully in this point. In my previous video, when I compared the 11 Pro Max with the dual SIM card 11 Pro Max, I got tons of comments. They ask me, is it the same version, or what is the difference, or it's Chinese? Or I heard that FaceTime is not working in the dual SIM card. Guys, this is so stupid even to comment something like this. It is the same iPhone, just one dual SIM card and one normal SIM card. People tell me, it's Chinese. Dude, it's all Chinese. The one SIM card, the dual SIM card, is all Apple, out from Apple factory in China. But they create dual SIM card for China and USA, and they create one SIM card for global or normal or Europe. You understand me? It is the same. Nothing called FaceTime work here and not FaceTime work. I have dual SIM card 11 Pro Max, and now I have 13 Pro Max dual SIM card. FaceTime work in all of them, all option, everything is the same. Don't say something that, I mean, it's too much, sorry, stupid to say something like that. Is it the same? Is it the same quality? I hear that the camera quality is not the same. Seriously?
It was just like
Listen, the same thing in Apple products generally, that in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, they are weak, which is your friend beside you when you are traveling or someplace or underground. In Samsung, you have full network and 4G internet, and in your iPhone 13 Pro Max, you don't have network, you don't have internet, you don't have anything, because iPhone connectivity is weak in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is, you have to know that. But anyway, my point here, in the dual SIM card and normal SIM card, they are the same version, same everything. Just the difference between them is the same card. I hope my point reached you. Okay guys, let me be honest with you, okay? iPhone 13 Pro Max, one of the best phones in the market at the moment, okay? I mean, the B50 Pro, Huawei, the Samsung S23 Ultra, and the iPhone is the best three in the market. As camera, as a screen, iPhone. Screen brightness, you will not find it anywhere except in iPhone. Until now, they are still the best screen brightness. Camera, until now, still iPhone is the best camera. Not by huge difference, but it's still the best. As for me guys, I don't care about camera and screen brightness. I'm gamer, okay? So I will go to Samsung S23 Ultra. Why? When you play PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile or whatever, go to the graphic setting and do the frame rate maximum and the graphic maximum. In iPhone 13 Pro Max, it will not go maximum. It will go one of them, frame rate or graphic. But in the Samsung S23 Ultra or Samsung Tab S8 Ultra, it will go maximum frame rate and graphic, which is you can enjoy the game until the fullest. With all this bullshit, iPhone blah blah blah, you cannot go to the maximum. And this is a problem for me, okay? I don't care about the screen brightness, I don't care about so much as I care about the graphic. Listen, in games the screen brightness is important. I'm sorry for saying that. No, in games screen brightness is really important. Why? Because in the dark, if its screen brightness is a little bit dark, you cannot see your enemy far away, especially in Battle Royale. But S23 Ultra has option, as you see in my previous video, that you can make extra brightness on the display. So it's gonna be almost like the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But guys, the smooth your fingers while you are playing touch screen, it's Samsung, okay? But let me tell you something. If you are looking for games as number one, I mean, you are a gamer like me, so iPhone and Samsung, stay away. If you are just need the phone for just games, you have two options if you are a gamer. Or Red Magic 7 Pro, I mean, it's amazing for games. Or you go to Asus ROG, the 6 Ultimate, the latest one. It's 18 GB RAM. Can you imagine this? 18 GB RAM. I mean, it have extra fan, it have trigger buttons that you can customize it. I mean, or Asus or Red Magic if you are a gamer. If you want to use it for Instagram and TikTok and cameras and pitching and stuff like that, go to the iPhone. But if you want to use it for the best operating system and easy to use and you can do everything that you want, go to Samsung S23 Ultra. Just the pen, honestly, is enough to do, it's amazing, it's enough to do every functions that you want. Except that Android is more easy than iOS, as iOS has nothing. You cannot change ringtone, bro, in this. If you change ringtone now, I'll give you $100. You can't. In iPhone, guys, you need to buy iPhone Music, iPhone Sport, arcade games. You need to buy storage. You need to buy Sport Plus. This is in our watches. Which is mean you need bills, you need salary by itself for iPhone. With all these applications in Samsung for free, plus that there is applications in the store like Benchmark, Samsung for free and iPhone for money. I mean, to be honest with you, you and me, how much salary do we have that we need to pay for electric, water bills, home rent and car, benzene, blah blah blah, home bills, stuff like that, that I extra have to pay for iPhone bills. And internet bills, and I will add this also. Screw this shit. Let's be honest with each other. You don't have to show off you have iPhone. Anyway guys, this was my opinion, okay? and you're free to choose whatever you want. I just give you each phone what is the pluses and what is the minuses. I hope you enjoy my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. And I'm gonna see you in another video for Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you. And I know all of you just care about the money. Because without the money, you will not have peace or love or iPhone. Ciao.